This demonstration will highlight some of the key features of Tivoli Remote Control as we observe help desk personnel resolve an end user's problem. Our scenario starts when a help desk agent receives a call from an end user reporting trouble with their email. The help desk agent logs into Tivoli Remote Control to have a look. Notice the user interface is web-based, making it accessible from all platforms. The help desk agent starts by searching for the end user's computer. The search function makes it easy to find the right target computer in large enterprises. Each target computer regularly checks in with the remote control server to update its status and IP information. Once the end user's computer is located, a remote control session is started. The remote control application uses Java Web Start, so it is automatically installed the first time it is needed. In this demonstration video, the main window shows the help desk's desktop and the inset window shows you the end user's desktop. The first tool the agent runs is the Get System Info tool to get an idea of what hardware and software the end user is running. We see here that the user is running Windows Vista. The end user was reporting a problem with her email, so the agent launches Lotus Notes to see what is going on. Right away, we see from the error message that the problem is due to a corrupted ID file. To fix this problem, the agent needs to copy a new ID file to the end user's computer, so the agent switches the remote control session to file transfer mode. The corrupted ID file is deleted, and a good copy is placed on the end user's system. Next, the agent switches back to active mode and again tries to start notes using the new ID file. This time, it works. The user types in her password and opens her email. Notice that both the help desk and end user can use the keyboard and mouse. Since the end user is new to Lotus Notes, the help desk agent uses the Open URL tool to launch a browser containing Lotus Notes help. The end user's email problem is now fixed, but now she has a new question about how to create a local replica of her mail. The agent doesn't know the answer to that question, so he decides to enlist help from a Level 2 agent. Using the collaboration feature of Tivoli Remote Control, the help desk agent is able to give control of this session to another agent. The Level 2 agent connects to this session and the help desk agent gives him control. The collaboration feature allows multiple people to simultaneously monitor or control a target computer. We now see the Level 2 agent's desktop with an inset of the end user's desktop. The Level 2 agent uses the chat tool to communicate with the end user, and the end user responds. Next, the Level 2 agent starts recording this session so others can play it back later for training purposes. Once the recording is started, the agent uses the guidance tool to walk the end user through the steps required to create a local replica. The end user follows along by clicking where indicated on the screen, and the local replica is created. Level 2 ends his session and control is returned back to the help desk. The end user has no more questions, so the remote control session is ended. This concludes our demonstration of some of the powerful new features of Tivoli Remote Control version 5.